Okay guys, so if you want to know what the underneath of your F-150 Frunk looks like, we got a lot going on here. Got your high torque E-motor, your battery chillers, AC unit. The other part of your battery chiller there, you got your 12 volt battery, which is just a little guy. And you got your AC and heat. And then your braking system. So yeah, this one come in with a issue with the hood would not stay cinched. So looking down here, this cable here was off, which runs along here, and there's a cinch clasp inside there that detects if there's anything binding. So luckily we just had to reattach the cable, it just wasn't attached properly, and away we go. Alright, just a quick short one just to show you what's underneath the Frunk tub on this one. So taking this out, this all comes out as one piece. So here's your Frunk assembly. A good size outlet. Alright, quick video. Thanks for watching, guys.